Hello, my name is Wilma. Two things in advance. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and leave nice comments. And you hear it, English is not my superpower, so don't be too strict. Thank you. I make pottery since 2020, since the Corona crisis. So it's not anything I do for a living, and everything you can see here, you can do that too. I may not always do it as correctly as a professional would, but I don't think that's bad. The main thing is that the result looks good and you have fun. See you later.